Alright, so this wall cloud right here is the one I'm watching, and this one looks interesting too. This is rotating rapidly right here. This is where it is on radar. Goodness gracious, goodness gracious. There it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. There it is. We might see something here. We might see something. Yep, here we go. Alright. Yep, I got it. Okay. It's right over there. It's right over there. It's right over there. It's right there. That's it. I'm shaking, darn it. Is it gonna go south? It's gonna go south of me. We gotta get close to it. We gotta at least see something. I'm not missing an opportunity today to see a tornado. Here it is. It's gonna pass in front of us if it is a tornado. Here we go. Right there. Oh boy. I really hope it doesn't hit me. Here it is. Right in front of us. Wow, it's so quick. Like the velocity isn't on radar anymore. But man, are we close to it? Yeah, it looks like it's dying off, but it was definitely close. Alright, this is where it would be. Here we go. I'm not seeing anything. We are right in the circulation. So I am trying to be as cautious as I can.